In the heart of a lush forest, a vibrant tapestry of colors awaits. Behold, a world filled with magnificent and beautiful birds. Meet the peacock, a symbol of grace and elegance. Peacocks are large, colorful pheasants, typically blue and green, known for their iridescent tails. Its resplendent feathers create a mesmerizing display that captivates all who witness its beauty. Delicate and agile, the hummingbird flits from flower to flower, savoring the sweet nectar with its slender beak. Its iridescent feathers shimmer in the sunlight, making it a true jewel of the avian kingdom. About 28 hummingbird species are listed as endangered or critically endangered, with numerous species declining in population. Parrots, with their vivid plumage and playful personalities, bring joy wherever they go. Their ability to mimic human speech adds an element of surprise and amusement. Our journey takes us to the coastal cliffs, where a flock of seagulls dances in the salty breeze. Their cries mingle with the crashing waves, as they effortlessly ride the updrafts and dive into the foamy waters below. Their agile flight and spirited calls echo the untamed spirit of the ocean. Against the backdrop of a tranquil lake, the flamingos wade with elegance. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs, and S-shaped neck. Their long, slender legs and vibrant pink feathers make them a vision of grace and poise. In the depths of the rainforest, the toucan reigns with its striking appearance. This social bird lives in small flocks in lowland rainforests, in countries such as Costa Rica. Its oversized beak is a true marvel, displaying a multitude of vibrant colors and serving as a valuable tool for reaching fruits high in the trees. As the seasons change, countless birds embark on long and arduous journeys. They form breathtaking formations, effortlessly soaring across vast distances, in search of new horizons. The freedom of flight fills their wings, enabling them to explore the world from a perspective that few can experience. Each wing beat carries them closer to the wonders that await. As the sun begins to set, we find ourselves in the mountains, where an eagle soars through the vast expanse of the sky. With keen eyesight and powerful wings, it epitomizes strength and freedom. The eagle's regal silhouette against the golden sunset reminds us of the boundless possibilities that lie beyond the horizon.